Hey y'all, welcome back to Dollar Tree Tuesday. When I tell y'all from last week when I went to the Dollar Tree to this week, I got all my Hawaiian Luau items. So if you have not checked out that open invite for the Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20 that is due Saturday, June the 13th, please go over and check that invite out. But without further ado, let me show you what I picked up. Now, I went to 3 different Dollar Trees and I came across the green Luau skirts. You probably have always seen these in the Dollar Tree. So I got 3 of these, and they claim that this is supposed to be for an adult. It'll probably take about 2 or 3 to get around my waist, but I didn't buy it to wear it. But you will see this in the upcoming tablescape. Oops. And keep in mind, this is like 3 different Dollar Trees over 3 weeks, so I'm just combining it into one video. I came across the beautiful lace put around your neck when you're going into Hawaii. Isn't that beautiful? And then I found this pretty it's called, just a regular headband. Look at that. Adorable. Could cut the tag off. And I've got some umbrellas for the Mai Tais and the nice pina colada drinks. And let's see what else did I come across. Oh, while these are out, I might as well go ahead and show you these. And then it took me 3 stores to find the straw ones. Yeah, it's called the Jupe Hawaiian skirt. But these are for the kids, so I couldn't find it in the adult size. But what I'm going to do with it, it didn't make a difference. So I got 5 packs of these. And let's see, I've got 2 pool noodles. You'll see these in the DIY. And while we're at it, I might as well go ahead and pull these out. I got the torches. And I got, hold on, y'all. I'm not sure how many I got. Stuck. 2, 3. So I got 6 torches to light up my little back area. And these are at the Dollar Tree. So if you have not came across them, hurry up and get out and get them because they're going to be gone. And I may go back and get 6 more just to have. But they have the bamboo. And then the little stakes that you stick down in your yard. So this is going to be kind of hard. Just trying to show you everything. Then I came across it's 5 o'clock somewhere sign. Dollar Tree. Another one, Aloha. Now, this is the best from the Dollar Tree that I found so far this year. They had the flamingo napkins. Look at that. And it's gold embroidered on the napkin. Very elegant napkins at the Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe this. And it's only a 6-pack, but it has the flamingo. And then I found like the rose gold pineapple. Isn't that sharp? And it's a 6-pack as well. They had the pineapple plates. They're kind of flimsy, but it'd be nice like for a little dessert plate on your table. And then they had the Aloha gold plastic rim cups, and you get 6 in a pack. And if you can kind of see the detail, it says Aloha on it. It has a pineapple on that one. And actually, I got 2 of them the same. So these are really nice for your bar. Okay. And then I got a toilet brush that's going to be a DIY. And I think I need another one of these, so I have to go back and pick one more of these up. So that is my Hawaii Luau Dollar Tree finds for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If so, give me a likes. Please hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment down below, and make sure to go over to watch the open invite for the Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.